Space Commander is a 2 to 4 player game. To play, you will need a fleet of ships, 3 of them in your colour, and the Space Commander board, the Think Square overlay, and in the designated positions, a gem in every space if you're playing the long version. If you're playing the shorter version of the game, have a look at the PDFs on the Think Square website to see where you're supposed to put these. So the aim of the game is to bring as many gems back to base as you can. If you have the highest amount, your fleet of ships are the winners. Now, each turn, the commander gets to give 4 commands to their ships, and they can be as follows. You could build a ship. Building a ship means placing it in your base, and you can place it facing any direction you like. You can also move a ship. Ships can move up to 5 spaces. So if that ship moved, it would move over to there, and it can only move in the direction it is facing. Ships can only move at 90-degree intervals, so they can't move on the diagonal. They can only move in straight lines. They can shoot on the diagonal, which is the next movement that ships can make. So ships can also shoot. Their range is 6 spaces. So if a ship was here, let's say the red ship was over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that red ship is in range of the green ship. And if the green ship shot at the red ship would go back to base and have to be rebuilt before entering the game again. Commanders can have more than 1 ship out at a time. They can have all 3 if they like. And if they do that, they might have a higher chance of either shooting their opponents down or getting a gem by protecting with their ships. So each turn, the commander gets to make 4 commands. So a turn could look like this. Build ship, move forward 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right turn 90 degrees, so that's that way, and then 90 degrees is just to there, and then forward 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, this ship has picked up a gem. When a ship picks up a gem, it can no longer shoot at other opponents. It can only run away back to base and try to get the gem as close as possible. Let's say yellow has seen green do that and they already had a ship here. They might go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, move forward once. They might move forward again, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 this time. And then they would also do a right turn 90 degrees. See, they're facing this way, that would be your right hand. So right turn 90 degrees and then shoot. If the green player was shot at this point, the gem would stay where it is and the green ship would be destroyed. Now yellow is looking to pilch that gem, but next turn green might build a ship and just shoot yellow down straight away. So when the gems come close to your base, they're a lot easier to get because you can build ships and guard them. During the game, players can't shoot through the asteroid belt. Now these dark white lines are the asteroid belt. So if yellow was here and green went to make a shot, you can see, if I put even a rubber band out here, you can see that that shot goes through the corner of the asteroid belt. So yellow is safe at that point. It's even more safe if it's back 1 further. So definitely can't shoot from there. Remember, ships can only shoot at 45-degree intervals, so you can't shoot here like that because that's not a 45-degree angle. It's not diagonal. So as well as here, if a green ship was here and a yellow ship was here, green can't shoot because the edge of the asteroid belt is still blocking that shot, you can see there. One other thing, ships cannot shoot through the gems. If 2 players were facing this way, green couldn't shoot yellow or yellow couldn't shoot green because there's a crate of gems in the road. So ships must travel in the direction they're pointing, just remember that. Turning takes a shot as well. Turning takes one of your 4 commands. Each of these colours has special abilities if you want to play that version where they can either teleport, or red, they go faster, or blue, they might engineer their way through a bit better by building different features into their ships. So the idea is to claim as many gems as you can and bring them back to base. And if you'd like to play 2-player game, 2 on 2, blue and green would be together and they'd be working together to get as many gems as possible. Now green could put a gem in blue's base if it was easier or closer to do that, and vice versa. And these 2 would be working together as well to get as many gems as they can.